Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Maps not working on iPhone issue. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, enable location services for Maps app and for in the settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services. So guys, turn on the location services. So after turning on this, go, scroll down and find maps here. So here is the maps app. If the is never, so enable to while using the app. So after enabling this, go back, and the next solution is update your map application. So for this, go to App Store, go to the search section and search maps. So here is the Apple Maps app, and update this. So I have the updated version here. So go back, and then after this, the next solution is update your iOS software. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and wait for checking for update. So I have the latest version on my iPhone. So simply go back, and then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and the volume up button at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off. So guys, after restarting your iPhone, after this, the next solution is reinstall the Apple Maps app. So uninstall the Apple Map. So fine, so here's the Apple Map. Tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and tap on delete app. So guys, after reinstalling your Apple Maps app, if this is not working again, so and the last solution is reset network settings. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode. So simply tap on reset network settings. So go back now, and so guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.